Good evening, Team Beast. For those of you joining us for the very first time, thank you for clicking on Beast Capacity Outdoors. I'm your leader, Team Beast Daddy Beast, and this is, well, there's a little bit of corruption everywhere, so I had to do this. Okay, so yeah, like I said, there's a little bit of corruption everywhere in the world right now, including on one of my drives. So, I lost a lot of this garden update to something or another. So, go through quickly what we've done in the past couple of weeks here. Of course, as you know, tree guys came in, took out the big shade monster we had here of 20 plus years. Yeah, so, and then we have put in two 4x4 boxes, giving us a 4x8 bed, split in the center, and it's been amended with blood meal and veggie meal and all sorts of stuff to get it up to what the plants would want. We just transplanted last night almost all of our tomato bushes. We still have a couple in the planter over there that need to be transplanted into the bed. But yeah, so we've got cantaloupe over there in the corner being trained to vine up. And of course all our tomato plants are in here. And on the trellis we have our green zucchini right here. We transplanted our bunch onions over into this a long time ago. And they're doing okay. We just recently put in radishes and they're growing just great. We had amended these not too long ago because nothing was growing really fast. See these? Okay, on the right, by the wood, are carrots. Next to the carrots are celery. Okay, and the small ones right here in front of us are carrots as well, all planted at the same time. The ones over here were planted in a starter. These were seeded right here. Yeah, I think we're going to go starter constantly and then transplant as we need. As you guys all know, this box was fully planted and growing, but when they took out the tree, they took out a lot of the box. Now we did manage to get the shade up on here. It's a 30% shade cloth. It distributes water pretty well. We still got our blue lakes. They took some damage, but they're doing okay. As you can tell, all the stress marks and stuff on them. The dragon tongue beans are doing good. The purple queen, I'm gonna have to replant those. And of course our green snap peas, they just got pommeled hard. Over here, as you can see, our lemon cucumbers are doing great. Our yellow squashes are doing good. I got to plant those. This are going to stay here. I got to put in a couple wood stakes like these right here. These 4-foot wood stakes. I got to put a couple in there and start training the extended branches to come up because I got 4 plants in there. I need to pull out the mystery plants that we got down there. Who knows what they were? One of them is at least a tomato bush that I recognize. And then we got some more bunch onions here. The pink celery is starting to come up better now that we've got a little bit more sun over in this area. Same with the lemon basil. The onions, Texas ground onions, we're just going to have to put them in a bigger area. It's got more sunlight. We have golden beets right next to that. Over here is Genovese basil, right next to the white markers. And then right over here is the crimson kale. What we have left of what we didn't plant, and they're falling over because they've taken good root. I've got to water these. Is we've got 6 plants that we probably won't have room for. Although this very, very tall one right here, San Marzano, it's got, you can see these right here. All these right here are all tomatoes right here. So, and we got a couple others. So I'm going to see about maybe getting them all put in. But that's going to be some work. But that's all I got right now. This is just a quick down and dirty 5-minute thing for you guys, an update. I mean, you guys have all seen on Facebook what it's looked like. I would have had this video connected to the other video footage that we've had over the past week that would have showed us tilling up the ground and mending it, what we did to amend it, what we threw in there, and all that kind of stuff. But for whatever reason, it is no longer on my drive. So this is the video that you're getting. Sorry, unfortunately. So with that, yeah, and we got some cleanup we got to do back here. It's going to be done this week. I got other videos coming up. I got to get out in the garage shop today and tomorrow and get some stuff done. I got sewing I got to get done for some masks, for the ones that we do hand sew and print. I've got to do a couple more prints for the printed oval masks that we do, which are the ones that we buy stock from our print supplier. They're an oval cotton mask, very soft cotton, very comfortable mask, and it's also got the filter pocket in it. And then what we can do is we can custom print on it. But yeah, so I got that, and I got a leather video I got to get done this week. So this should be going up probably tonight. So you're seeing it as it is. I'm not going to edit it. So what I said is what you're seeing. So Team Beast, stay safe, stay healthy, my friends. And as always, like, comment, subscribe. Just be good, be kind. Team Beast, all the way.